Hello and welcome to week 3. Hola, bienvenido a semana número 3. I'm so proud of the hard work you guys have been doing, and I'm excited to get started for another week. Estoy muy orgullosa del trabajo que han hecho y estoy emocionada por una semana más. Okay, so let's get started. Today we're going to be doing week 3, starting day 1. We're going to do some phonics review, talking about our letters and sounds. Hoy es semana número 3, día número 1. Vamos a empezar con 2 páginas hablando de las letras y sus sonidos. Later, we're going to read a book called City Places. Después, vamos a leer un libro sobre lugares en la ciudad. And then we're going to do 2 activities where we write and talk about the city where we live. Y vamos a hacer 2 actividades en que hablamos y escribimos sobre la ciudad en que vivimos. Washington, D.C. So let's get started. So last week, we were working on some vowels, and we're going to keep working with the vowel A. La semana pasada trabajamos con unos vocales, y esta semana seguimos con la vocal A. But I want to show you something that's a little bit different. So in English, vowels can make more than one sound. En inglés, las vocales pueden hacer más de un sonido. So last week, we practiced the letter A when it made my sound A, like apple. This week, we're going to talk about the letter A again, but sometimes it makes the sound A, like the word safe. So please repeat after me. Okay. Por de repetir después de yo, porque ya hicimos del sonido A. Esta semana enfocamos en el sonido A. So I want you to say A, and my word is safe. All right, let's look at some stuff. So long vowels A, and we're going to see the letter A, a different letter, and then the letter E. And I'm going to call that the magic E, because this will make the A say its name and my E is silent. So my letters are K-A-T-E, but my sound I hear is K-A-T. Kate. Let's do another one. This is going to be makes. My letters are M-A-K-E-S. I hear M-A-K. Makes, because my E changes my A sound. A, look it, I have my A and my E with a consonant here. So my letters are C-A-K-E. My sounds are cake. Kate makes a cake. Como Kate hace un pastel. And here's my picture of it. Kate makes a cake. Look at my word takes and makes are the same. The only difference is my first letter. Esos son lo mismo. La única diferencia es la primera letra. So makes and takes. Kate takes a, the others are the same. Plate. Kate wakes up. Here my A, and my silent E. Waves in a lake. Snake. So for all of these today, we're going to be focusing on words that have an A, a different letter, and then the letter E. And my E make the A sound. Entonces, todas las palabras en que vamos a enfocar van a tener la letra A, otra letra, a different letter, y la letra E in English. Y cuando tenemos este patrón, when we have this pattern, the E is silent and the A makes the A sound. So let's practice. Kate makes a sand cake. Good. Kate wakes up at 6 o'clock. Kate's plate has, ooh, this is a new one. I see my A, E. So, grapes. Kate's plate has grapes on it. There's a plate. Here's her plate. The lake has waves. The snake is not in the lake. Here's my snake. Good. So I'm going to do our examples here. How do you say this word? Wake. Good. Because I have my silent E will make my A sound. Let's do a different one. What about now? Make. Here's my E, make my A sound. Ache. Good job. Another way, otra manera en hacer el sonido A is to use AY. So instead of AE, we can also do AY. A. Let's see. Kate plays on a gray day. Bob and Nan say, "Hey, Kate." Kate lays a crayon on the desk. Now let's match our words. Kate and Tab, do they say or play? Play, como jugar. The crayon is what color? Gray, como gris, or red, como rojo? Red. Kate lays a of grapes on the desk. Is that a plate or a snake? Yes, a plate. Bob and Nan, hey. They say hey. Kate, up at 10 o'clock. Waves, como alas, and wake is despertarse. Yes, Kate wakes up at 10 o'clock. Good job. We did our phonics. Now let's go to our book, City Places, and we'll see if we can find some of those words with my A sound. Here's City Places. City Places. Look it, I have my A and my E. Places. Very good. There are many places in the city. Let's find out what some of them are. What is this place? Ace. It is a park. People come here to have fun. What is this place? It is a store. People come here to shop. What is this place? It is a zoo. People come here to see animals. What is this place? It is a skyscraper. Office workers come here to work. Here's another one with my aper. Because my E makes my A sound. What is this place? It is a stadium. Players come here to play ball. Look it, here's my AY, players. Can you find another time with an AY, A sound in this sentence? Yes, play. What is this place? It is a parking garage. People come here to park their cars. I want to show you that here, look at, I have my AGE, but it doesn't say age. This one follows different rules. People do many different things in many places in the city. What do you do in the city? Great job. You guys read about lots of different places in the city. Now let's do some work. So in the city, this is a city has streets. A city has buildings. Here's the skyscraper tall building, the street where the cars go, lots of buildings. Here are trees, people, and a flag. So we're going to talk about our city. We live in Washington, D.C. And this says, my city has. ¿Qué tiene nuestra ciudad? What does our city have? My city has, I know, buildings. My city has lots of people. And we have a school. So my city has schools. You can choose some different words that you know from last week. You can also choose lots of different words from your book. Like my city has a zoo. Or my city has stores. Now, let's go on to page 2. Remember, you can hit pause and do the work. Here are more places in the city. You guys know the school, library, bank, fire station, zoo, museum. So on this page, we said, my city has. Mi ciudad tiene. We can also talk about what we do in the city. So this says, I go to the me voy, or yo voy, a la, and give me the place. Here's our example. I go to the library. Me voy a la biblioteca. And here is my picture. Give me 2 more places where you go. So my question is, where do you go? ¿A dónde vas? You say, I go, me voy, I go to the different places. You can say, I go to the zoo, I go to the bank, I go to, we could say, Tubman School. That's our school. And give me a picture. Ustedes pueden hablar con un amigo o una persona en la familia para preguntarles a dónde van. You guys can also ask a friend or a family member where they go. All right, great job on your work today. I'll see you later. Bye.